In primetime news this evening, in custody, St. James pastor at the center of rape allegation turns himself into the police. COVID and mental health. UHWI launches research to study the issue. And crime taking control of Mount Salem again, despite the area designated as Zoso.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime, and weather. But before the break, here's a feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your views on the effectiveness of the Zones of Special Operation, ZOSO? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.